Well, Agile is talks very much to the heart of the pressures today in the business world. In IT, there's a constant pressure to deliver products faster. And at the point in which you deliver those products, you want those products or those services to be exactly what you expected them to be. And so, contrasted to the waterfall software development lifecycle, waterfall, you define what you want in January, it may come out the other side in November, somewhat like you were thinking it should be. It might even be what you wanted it to be, but in the space of the time that has elapsed, the business market has changed, making that solution no longer even relevant, worst case, of course. So Agile inserts into software development glimpses of how the product is emerging, and it provides the customer or the stakeholder glimpses of that maybe every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks, whatever that interval is. We call that a demonstration of incremental functionality up to that point. It's fantastic. The customer gets to come in and say, gosh, that's kind of how I saw this thing starting to take shape, and that's great feedback. And the team goes to work on the next piece of that solution, invites the customer back in, the customer provides feedback. Even if the customer provides feedback and says, I know that's what I asked for, but this isn't actually turning out the way I thought I needed it or want it. Fantastic. Agile allows and embraces change, customer change and business change. All we got to do is put that in on the next 2-week increment or the next 3-week increment, and we can include those changes. The benefits are multidimensional. First of all, the customer feels aligned with IT instead of this big separation between the two of them. Number two, the customer feels like they have skin in the game, stake in the game, because they're watching this thing evolve and develop throughout the life cycle. Thirdly, it improves or accelerates value, because it's quite conceivable that small pieces of standalone functionality can be delivered into that customer's production environment, benefiting the customer from a value standpoint earlier than having to wait for the entirety of the project to complete before they get anything. So those aren't the only reasons why businesses are interested in Agile, but those are some of the key pieces of why companies are very interested to know more, interested to know how to apply it to their business model.